Okay, so this one, not been looking forward to this, to be honest with you. It's one of them impossible plumbing repairs, it really is. Let me show you. So this is the repair we've got to do, this waste. Now, what you're thinking, just undo that, take that out, tighten it up, job's done. Well, when I come round here the first time, I spent about an hour. I mean, a good hour trying to get that off. It just will not come off. It's solid, and obviously you've got a big gap there at the back. It just won't tighten on. So, somehow, we need to replace that. I've got no access to it. There's no way you get into that without taking the bath out. We've got an idea though. We've got an idea, and if it works, yeah, it'll be genius, I'm telling you.
The impossible plumbing repair. So the customers had 2 other plumbers before me have a look at this job. One of them said he's got to tear the bathroom apart. The other one took one look at it and said, don't do that type of stuff. Then when we heard about the job, we was like, let me at it. I want to have a go at this. So take a look at this. Let me know if you know this plumbing app, because I think it is so simple for genius. I really do. It got this customer out of an expensive repair. It really did. And there's also some other little hints and tips in there. So in the comments, I want to know if you knew this plumbing hack. And any questions, as always, drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you to everyone that subscribed so far. I really appreciate it. We are on course for 5K, but I can only do it with your help. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the link below. Give us a sub. Any questions, put them in the comments. I will do my best to answer them. So yeah, let's take a look at this plumbing repair.
Right, let's take this back panel off. Get him out of the way. Okay, so get me torch on. Right, that's better. So there's the waste. How are you supposed to get up there in the back there? Good place, you ain't getting in there, am you? There's no access to from the sides. Yeah. So now we've got to repair that. So this is what I'm thinking. We've pre-warned the customer that we're gonna have to cut that one out or break it out. Like once it's out, it's out. They're gonna have a bigger hole there. But something's got to be done. I mean, they thought the bath would have to come out of it. Hang on. Let me have a think of what I can do. So I've come prepared with the waste. Customer's prepared just in case it fails. But I reckon I can fish the new one up without taking the bath out. That's what I'm thinking anyway. Whether it's going to work or not, you may be able to find out. Come on, plumbers. Plumbers are a problem. I've said this loads. Plumbers are problem solvers. And this is a big problem that needs solving. So this has just snapped off because I forced it off. But yeah, as you can see underneath there, that's the hole. And that's the screw. The screw is nailed. It's just rusted to hell in there. Could not get it off. I tried WD 40 screwdrivers a lot, but yeah, that's broke now. So you just undo that. I'm gonna get that out. So that should undo. Should come out. That's the only thing keeping it in. I am trying to do this one-handed while trying to record for YouTube so you can learn. So I've been learning how to do this like a genius or learning from my mistakes. There's no going back now, is there? It's gone. This is either a really good idea or a really stupid idea. Did I mention that it's 4 o'clock at night? Might be a late one, I don't know. I don't know. What was I thinking? Anyway, let's get the old one out and have a go at my idea that hopefully will work. Underneath here, one's on it, on the waist. And here we go. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. There we go. That is the old one out. That's the easy part. And the plug, well, that one come out. I've just jammed my screwdriver in it, get it out. Look, hey, you silicone. Absolutely brilliant. Well done to the last one, mate. You absolute freaking idiot. I hate silicone. I hate silicone. No need. So this is the new waste we're putting in, and this is what we're going to use to fit it. I've tied it off around the tap. The idea is I'm going to drop it through that hole, go underneath, grab it, tie it to there, and pull it up and through. Now if this works, it'll be genius. Absolute genius. Let's find out. Tied off to the tap, through the hole, and where is he? There he is. Let's grab that. through. Alright, plenty on that. Tie that to the waist. Put it back through. And you're wondering what the torch I'm using? That's the Unite neck light. Game changer. Honestly, that is so good. So comfortable. Forget that I have it on, it's so bright. Yeah, let's get this tied on to the waist. Now the only problem I can see is that rubber. As I pull it up, it's going to fall off, so I need to stick it to there. So do we use silicone? Yes. Silicone grease. That's sticky enough to put in the back of there. Put that on. It will stay on there then. Now if that don't work, I'll have to use silicone. I'll have to use something that will sticky, unfortunately. So I hate silicone, but needs a must on this one. So put some silicone on there. Let's put a bit more on there actually. I'm taking out nothing that silicone, eh? There we go, it should stay on. I'm just going to tie that around there, feed it through. Right, here goes nothing, that's quite tense. So. Yeah, hold on, let's get that right underneath the back first. Sorry about the shoddy camera work. Right, hold that up. Roughly where it needs to go. I should be able to pull that on. Okay, so. Okay, see what happens when we give that a pull. Bang, come off. So I've already tried it on. I think what I'm going to have to do is push my arm underneath there while holding it, while pulling on that to bring it up. I'll set the camera up somewhere there so you can see it come up. Okay. Oh, we're lining up. Also, I got it. Only got it. There we go. That's it all in. No trickery. Nothing. I cleverly did that piece of thread. There we go. Oh, I'm well impressed with that. Okay, so just gotta get the plug in there. So that's the bottom seal. That's the top seal. Again, not using any silicone. No silicone at all. Yeah, seals on there. No silicone. That's nice and clean. We've got all the silicone off there. There we go. And just gonna put that underneath. That threaded screw goes through there. You see? Some silicone under here. I'm gonna have to get all that out. Oh, I was gonna swear. Get on that. What I'm gonna have to do is line that up with one hand and try and get in with the other. Put that screw in. There we go, that's the screw in. Get to there. Tighten that up. Just got to get in there and tighten that up now. Little tip with these. 50p piece. Actually fits in there perfect. Now you can turn that. There you go, little top tip. Always keep 50p tighten it waist. There you go. Just make sure that's nice and tight. One thing you do if you need it tighter, get your grips on it. Yeah, you see where the old silicone was. Naughty. But yeah, that's it all in now. Give it a test. You can see the hole there, screw there. That's the mechanism that turns. Just put it on. You can tighten the screw, just line the hole up with dead bottom. There you go. Put the screwdriver under there, tighten that up. Yeah, that's on. Let me show you it works. So I'm going to be turning this like that. You look down there. Is it moving? Just moves the lever on. That's it. I'll show you with the plug in. So that lever just move. I'm just moving that round and round, and yeah. Now if you need to make an adjustment to that plug, you just screw on the bottom there. Yeah. Alright, so first I'm going to do is put a bit of water. Wow, what a precious straw here. Put that plenty of water. was worried about. Oh, dry as a bone. And that's dry. I'm going to put some tissue under here, fill the bath up, to give it a test. Fill him up, see what happens. Right, so we've got some water in the bath now. Let's open the plug, see what happens. Bit draining, that's good. That's what we expected. Bath drain. Under here, it's so dry. Oh man. That piece of tissue is nice and dry. It's going to monitor it. Don't forget to check the overflow connection, but that looks absolutely fantastic. Superb getting there. Surprise myself sometimes. So you're nearly drained now. Absolutely still, bone dry, no silicone, the way it should be. Oh, I'm really happy about that, really am. Now, obviously we've got to test that seal, so to do that, what I'm going to do is get the shower head, spray up there, then have a look underneath, and make sure that it don't come down the wall there. So let's see what happens. I'm sure this is ridiculous. Yep, shower on. You get that. Do this spray around there. There we go. Okay, let's get back onto there. Yeah, of course, no water coming down. It's nice and dry. That's the way to test them and give it a good spray. There we go, happy days. That little trick is so simple, but it works so well. You made sure the plumber quote out for a new bath and said, no way, I can do that. You need to set the bath out, so I might as well replace the bath, replace the tap, replace everything. So you can imagine that's quite a lot of money. Sorry about noise, the bath is still draining. But yeah, I mean, simple, done, less than an hour, happy days. I love little hacks like that, man. It's so good.
So there you go. How simple was that? How simple was it? It's just something so simple that works so well. And to be honest with you, I got a lot of job satisfaction out of that. I really did. It made me so happy. I was like, yes, man, I've got in there, I've repaired it, job done. But all these plumbing tips have got to come from somewhere. There ain't many people that can say they was the original person to invent a plumbing tip. I'm the same. I did not invent that tip. I saw that tip. Now, where I saw it was Central Heat King. Now, he's on YouTube and he does so many good tips. He really does. And they're as good as mine. They're just as good. He's really good. So I'm going to link him down here. Give him a follow. He comes out with some really good tips. And I said, I've seen that one on TikTok months ago. I mean, months ago. And it come in really handy today. 5K giveaway. I keep banging on about this, but it's getting there. I'm getting there. We've got our first one come through. Let me show you the first prize in the 5K giveaway. So a big thank you to Lasgo. They've supplied a laser level. Now, I did show that laser level being used on one of my previous videos. Really good laser level, really bright. So yeah, that's in the 5K giveaway. Really impressed with that. Do me a massive favour as well. Head over to Instagram, give my account a follow, and give Lasgo a follow as well. Stuff like that just helps us out. Get more prizes, get more stuff for giveaways like this. It really does. Followers mean bigger stuff. It's just the way social media works. So that'd really help me as well. But that's the first one. We've got the Lasgo laser level. There's another one that should come through. Spoke to them last week. They said they're sending it. So I'm just waiting on that. And I'm going to have a look, see what I can put into it. That'll probably be over Christmas. I'm going to have a look to see what I can put into it. More than likely, one of them's going to be a Weaver set. Because I love Weaver screwdrivers, Weaver sets. Someone recommended it. I thought, you know what? Let's keep the Weaver trend going. Because every giveaways had some Weaver tools. So yeah, let's get some Weaver tools in there as well. I want to say a big thank you to everyone watching, subscribing, liking, commenting. Honestly, helps me out loads. Yeah, I'll see you on the next one.